In example 2 of lesson 3.3, we are again multiplying polynomials, but unlike example 1 where we had a monomial being multiplied by a trinomial, this time we have a binomial, one that has two terms, being multiplied by another binomial. And so what has to happen here is that the x in the first binomial must be multiplied by everything in the second binomial. So it has to be multiplied by the x and it has to be multiplied by the 8. And then the same is true of the 3. The 3 has to be multiplied by the x and the 3 has to be multiplied by the 8. So if I start with the red, remember that these x's have exponents of 1. So I've got x to the 1 times x to the 1, which is x to the 1 plus 1, or x to the 2. And then if I have to multiply the x by the 8, and x times 8 is just 8x. Now I'm going to distribute the 3. The 3 has to be multiplied by the x, and I get 3x. And the 3 has to be multiplied by the 8, and I get 24. Now in this case, we do have some like terms. 8x and 3x have an x with the same exponent, so they can be combined by merely adding the numbers in front. So they're going to become 11x. So we end up with x squared plus 11x plus 24 as our final answer.